Okay, today I'm gonna feed Little Bird and just letting the food cool down to the right temperature, 105 to 110 degrees. She's a baby dove. She is, let's see, 11 days old. My last video, she was just a couple days old, so not too long ago, she was just so tiny. And now she's grown quite a bit. So what I've got here is I've got my plate prepared, and I'm gonna line it with paper towel so I can mitigate the mess, because it's a messy job. Now she's definitely she's definitely getting so much better. And the method I used in feeding her in my last video, that works okay, but it really does just make a mess, and you have to continuously wipe her beak, otherwise she can inhale some of that, and that's not good. So what I've got here is my infrared temperature gauge. We're close to 110, 113, 112. Just a little bit to get down to that level. 110, it's safe, and it probably drops to a much lower than that, but she still eats it. Back on the plate, honey. She sees the food, she knows it, and she's learning, and she is growing huge. Huge. If you compare her now to my last video, she is just so huge. And so I only pick her up with my left hand, and I only feed her and touch her beak with my right. So I don't touch her with my right hand, because then, because she walks in her poop, and I don't want to cross-contaminate and get her sick. So I've got paper towels in case I make a mess, in case I get it on her beak. And it does happen occasionally. And I've got a little cup of water, filtered water, and I only use filtered water in her food. And if you watched my last video, you see. All right, so we're right about 110, 108. When you heat it up in the microwave, there's hot spots, and if you watch other videos, you'll learn this, and you just have to keep stirring it, and then the hot spots kind of they mix in. So okay, I've got this syringe. It's just an eyedropper, and it's challenging, but you gotta keep her chasing your hand, because she'll walk from one side of the plate to the other, and she'll get all anxious and come off the plate. So you wanna, when she comes at you, you wanna have room to move, I guess is the easiest way to put it. And then you just cup her beak like that. I don't know if you can see that. Cup her beak just lightly, and she'll open up. She got a little bit that time. See, I've got a paper towel here to wipe my hands when I get it on my hands. Switch hands, move her, get her in the right position, and then start again. And she is just hungry. Open your mouth, open your mouth. Come on, open your mouth. Open your mouth. You can do it. Come on, open your mouth. There you go. And then after, you just put a little bit in it each time. Let her swallow it. You don't want to give her too much. And it really is much easier compared to that first couple days. Actually, it didn't just start getting a little bit easier until just like a day ago. But you gotta, keep her busy. Come on over here. Come on. Come on. Okay, turn around. Okay. Easy, easy, easy. Open your beak. Yeah. And it gets all over her face like it just did. And that happens, but it did not get on her snout. So that's okay for now. I'll wipe her up when she's done. And this is a rewarding challenge, and it's fun. It's frustrating at sometimes, but it's pretty cool. Now that time I did get some food on her snout, so I take a paper towel, dip it in some water, and I pick her up with my left hand, and I just give her a gentle wipe. Of course, she doesn't like it, but that's all you need to do is get it off her snout, and I can focus on getting it off her face later. And I've got several of those laid around, so I won't run out. It's a good practice to just be prepared and be ready and have all your supplies with you, nearby. Makes it easier. Oh, look at that. She is just opening her mouth like crazy. She's a good little bird. Good little bird. Open up. Open up. Open up. There you go. Seems like she wants more and more and more and more. And she'll never stop eating. So you gotta watch her belly. Open up. Open up. Open up. Open up. You wanna take a break? You were doing so well just a second ago. Okay, let's come over here again. Okay, here you go. Open up, open up, open up, open up, open up. And sometimes you miss and sometimes you get it. It's the nature of the beast. Are you full? You're not full already, are you? No way. Open up. Open up, little bird. There you go. So neat watching her just gobble, 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 gobble. She's such a cute, cute little creature. Just a cute little creature. Her wings are growing massively. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, I gotta stop talking. Okay, open up. You did so good, and I blew it that last time. I'm sorry, you were wide open for a second. She only opens her mouth for a half a second. Open up. 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 There you go. Look at that. Look at that. Open up. Open up. There's another one. Now, she was eating about 5 of those mouthfuls when I first started feeding her a few days ago, well, a week ago. Now she's almost eating like a double. She just is, she's huge. She's like doubled in size. And you couldn't tell that her feathers were even feathers, but like a couple days ago, and now her feathers are actually growing. Each little vine of the feathers. It's so neat how you can watch them just slowly come in, and it's really amazing. Okay, you ready for some more? You ready for some more? Open up. Oh. Another miss. Sorry. I'm sorry, honey. Okay, let's go again. Oh, good. Oh. Nope, didn't get it in the onion. Okay. Okay, honey. Let's get this licked. Okay. Open up. There you go. Nice one. Very nice. Open up. Another nice one. Yeah. She's, as you can see, her belly's not totally full. She's getting to the point where she can almost perch on my finger. She's still working on her balance. But she's doing okay. Open up. Open up. Open up. Okay. I think it's time to clean. Time to clean, honey. Yeah, she's a little bit dirty. And she gets it in her eyes, she can't see. So I gotta just gently clean her. Of course, she doesn't like it. It's like anybody wouldn't like it. And I'll be over in a second, honey. I'll be over in a second. Be over in a second, honey. Okay. My fingers are what are really dirty. Okay. Spin you around again. She's so fast. She probably runs 10 yards in the time of each feeding. She just walks, I mean. But it's incredible. Okay, here we go. Open up. Open up. Yummy. Good one. Here you go. Getting full yet? Still want more? Wow. You could still hold more. Her crop is not even that full because she's growing. Like every second she's growing. The most fascinating thing is they say that in less than a month these birds grow from like what a human would be 0 to age 16 in a matter of under a month. It's just incredible. And I've seen it in just the last week. She's doubled in size. Okay, here we go. Here you go. Yummy. Another one? Ready for another one? Open up. Not that time. Oh, she's sitting down. You're getting full, huh? Maybe that crop is fuller than I thought it was. And I'm not going to overfeed her. She's getting full, but she can eat and eat and eat. She's been doing that pecking thing, so maybe it's time to get her out there and get her into the seed training, so she can, do the seed thing. So I got bird feeders outside and plenty of bird seed. So hi. We'll do a couple more, okay? Oh, that one was a bad one. That was really bad. Got it all over you. No, that's not what I wanted to do. Thought we were done with that. But you have your mishaps here and there. And it's a messy job. Of course, because I'm trying to do the camera work and do this. It's a little bit messier this time than other times. Can't explain that, but it just is. It's always good to have paper towels nearby. Okay, honey. I think you're pretty full. I'm just gonna give you a couple more. Just a couple more, okay? Still walking okay, but you're struggling. Open up. There you go. I'm gonna call it one more and then you're full, okay? One more. Come on. Didn't go in that time. One more, honey. That's a good mouthful there. All right, time for me to clean up. Time for me to clean up, little bird. It's okay, honey. Got some dried food right below your eye. And she's cleaning herself too, I've noticed. Or she's pecking at her feathers. Maybe that helps them grow in, I don't know. But pretty soon she'll be ready for a bath and I can clean all this stuff off. But the main thing is to make sure no food gets in her nose. Say hi, little bird. Say hi to everybody, little bird. Oh, you ready to do pecking duty, huh? Oh, okay. Thanks for watching. This is Little Bird, and she's growing fast. Thanks for watching.